All right, boys and girls, so I want to review your math with you today. You should have done that warm-up already and tried all the problems that you know how to do. I just want to remind you that it is World Orangutan Day. I'm still out here in Borneo looking for those orangutans. Hope I see one today, but I've got a picture here of one just to remind all of you. So let's start with problem 1. I'm going to shade to represent 2/3 minus 1/3. So I'm right here in my circle. I'm going to shade 2/3. Sorry, I'm not doing as neat as I could be. All right, and I need to subtract 1/3. And I end up with 1/3 left over. Okay? Number 2 asks, how many lines of symmetry are there? So I've got a heart here, and I need to imagine my heart is folded in half, and that both halves would look the same. If I divided my heart vertically, this could happen. So as you can see, this is the only line of symmetry. I could not make a line horizontally because that would not be the same on both sides of folding that heart. So this shape only has one line of symmetry. All right, it is asking me to write this as a fraction and a decimal. I know it's a little hard to see, so I apologize for that. But I believe 4/10 are shaded. So as a fraction, that looks like this, 4/10. As a decimal, that would look like this. And in word form, I would write that as 4/10. All right, next, it is asking us to compare 8/10 and 4/10. And this time the shading is much more clear, and I can see that 8/10 is greater than 4/10. Finally, I need to order my fractions from least to greatest. So I have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, not 4/5, just 1/5, 5/5, 3/5, 2/5. So my least would be 1/5. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my number line. Then I have 2/5. Then I have 3/5. And this is where I get a little bit of a problem. I don't have 4/5 as one of my listed fractions, but I do have 1 whole, which would be 5/5. So I'm going to put 5/5 down here with 1 whole. If I want to, I could write my 4/5 right here, just to add it in because I don't like blank spots on my number line. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you're paying attention to your teachers today and you are thinking about those orangutans. They are an endangered species. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.